Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel. But if you guys are new here, then hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a much needed repotting of my Cebu Blue Pothos. If you guys saw in my previous video, I found this at Walmart for like $15. I got super lucky. It's very big and full and starting to trail, but I've recently noticed that it's been drinking water every single day, and I can see, and I hope you guys can see, that the roots are completely growing out of the pot. And I literally watered this yesterday and it feels super light. Definitely struggling, and it needs to be repotted. The only problem is, and I always have this issue, is I just don't have a bigger hanging basket to put it in, or even like a bigger pot, because this is already like a 10-12 inch pot. It's a pretty big pot, so maybe 10 inch. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is just separate it and take some strands out and hopefully propagate some as well. I have some wet sphagnum here that I'm gonna maybe put some cuttings into, and yeah, let's just get right into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is try to take off these hooks if possible, just to make it easier for the plant to slide out of the pot. And it is so tangled up in here. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be crazy. I actually have not repotted one of the Walmart plant finds that I've had yet. They've all been doing okay, so I haven't needed to. This is the first one that's like outgrowing its pot. All right, got one hook off. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos and what you guys want to see more from me. Definitely make sure to comment down below so that I know. Let's see here, one more to go. There we go. All right, so now that the hook's off, I'm hoping that I can just slide this baby out without damaging anything. I recently just filmed another repot with me, so I have quite a few because it is springtime and there is a lot to be repotted. I'm seeing some dead leaves in there. I might have to stand up for this. Man, it's really stuck in there. I don't want to damage the plant. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god, you guys. Are you kidding me? This is so sad. It's so root bound. This makes me think that I'm not going to be able to separate it just because the roots are so long and I don't want to damage them. I recently did try to separate my, what was it, a Pothos Enjoy, and it didn't go well because I broke off the roots and the plant's just struggling now. So I really don't want to break any of these roots. They're so beautiful and long and healthy. I have this pot right here. Let me see if it's even bigger. So this is what it was in, and I have this pot. It's a little bit deeper and maybe a little bit bigger in diameter. It's really hard to tell, but I think it is bigger. So I'm probably just gonna have to put it in here, and it's not gonna be hanging, which is really sad because I wanted this to be a hanging basket. I love it in front of my window. So, such a bummer. I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit. Oh no, this is a mess. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna be able to do anything. I'm gonna have to just put it in the bigger pot. So that's another thing, is when you guys repot some of your plants, it may not go as expected. You may have to change your plans up. I definitely thought I was gonna be able to put most of it back into here, but I'm not gonna be able to separate this. It's really intense. I wish I had an even bigger pot, but I don't. This will be better than what it was in. So what we will do though is we'll still take some cuttings from it just to try to clean it up a little bit, but let's put some soil into here. Hopefully I can get at least a few scoops so it has some more room to grow down instead of just all around the pot. That's a good amount. Let's see if it might be too much. Let's see. Oh my god, this is so hard to do. Repotting big plants is really hard. Damn it. It sits on top of that, so it's good. The roots will be able to grow down, but they're really not going to be able to grow wide, which could be an issue. in the future. I may have to repot this again sooner than I'd like. I'm just gonna have to search for bigger pots or order some on Amazon because I'm not able to put any soil around the pot, just on the bottom. I did get a good 4 scoops on the bottom. I'm just detangling it right now, seeing what we're working with. Man, this is such a bummer. I'm gonna have to repot it again. But that's just how it goes. Oh my God, it looks horrible. Like, it's just such a mess inside. I know you guys can't see, but inside here, the roots are even coming out from the top. So I'm definitely gonna have to take like quite a few cuttings, I think. Kind of want to take some cuttings from the top so that I could see the plant better. All right, well, I'm gonna take some cuttings and then water it. So let's find the scissors. And I'm sure you guys already know because I've done it in many videos in the past, but if this is your first time, you're just gonna want to cut it and submerge the node in whatever medium you decide to propagate in. Usually I propagate in water, but I kind of want this to be rushed. So I'm going to try propagating it into sphagnum. Okay. So I just cut this that was hanging, this root was like hanging by a thread at the edge of the pot. So I'm gonna try to reroot this. So we've got a node right there, the brown part. That's the part that you want submerged. So I'm just gonna make sure that each cutting that I take has a node on it. And then since I'm using sphagnum, I'll just be making sure that it's submerged into the sphagnum. I've noticed that sphagnum just works a lot faster, so that's why I've been into using it lately. That was just one cutting and this is like already pretty full, so I could probably fit one more cutting in here. And then I'll need another propagation jar. I like to take top cuttings, they're the best kind. Yeah, this is pretty full, so maybe I'll just get a water jug because I don't feel like wetting more sphagnum. So let's see what else we can cut. Anything from the top? It's so tangled. This plant's a hot mess, you guys. But we're gonna clean it up, we're gonna do it. Let's see what's going on up here. This is a nice cutting from the top. Good one. Big piece. I'm gonna stand up and figure this out. Let's see. All right, yeah, so that's gonna be pretty much it. It's just such a disaster here, you guys. Like, let me show you guys. Do you see what a mess that is? So I don't think I'm gonna be able to do any more. I'm just gonna water it for now. Should I take more cuttings? Oh, this is such a dilemma. This did not turn out the way I thought it was going to. I'm gonna take this cutting. So I actually had to take it to my sink to give it a good drink so that I could see the water draining from the bottom. And I did get another propagation jar just filled with water. So I'm going to stick these in here. All right, so here's our 2 propagation jars. I'm going to put this with all my other propagations underneath the grow light. And this is done. I know it's not what I expected to do, but I hope that this shows you guys that you never really know what a plant is gonna look like when you take it out of the pot, and to just be prepared for all different types of things. This was a lot more root bound than I thought. I thought it just had a few roots growing out from the bottom and that was it. But no, it was definitely super root bound. So right after I film this video, I am going to head onto Amazon, order some bigger pots, or should I go to Home Depot? I feel like whenever I go to Home Depot, I can't find any bigger pots, like nursery pots anyway. So I'll probably just have to order some on Amazon, but yeah. I'm really happy that it's doing well and it's got roots that good, so I'm not upset, but I am upset that I can't hang it right now. This is, you know what, will this work on here? Let's try. I don't think so though. Oh my God, it holds up this pot. Wow, that just made my day. I can still hang this. Oh my God. Wow. I'm happy now, but I still am going to order some bigger pots so that it could be happier, but that is just fantastic. Let me show you guys where I'm gonna hang it. All right, so I'm going to hang this up back by the window where it always was. It loves this window right up here. Love that spot for it. I do hang my Hoya off of it. Let me go grab it. I did have to take it down. So I pretty much always have my Hoya hanging off of it just to maximize the space in my apartment. And yeah, very happy with how that looks now. Got my little jungle ready. I'm so happy that I can still hang it. But that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what video you guys want to see next from me. I'll definitely make sure to do that. Hopefully I have some bigger pots soon because I have my peace lilies still to repot. I have my Hoya australis. I may have to repot my Monstera deliciosa again. So I've got a lot to do. Definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.